Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MinIO on AWS EC2 for private object storage. Complete guide step by step clearly. Launch the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. Click on Launch Instance. Select an Amazon Machine Image or AMI. Choose an appropriate Linux distribution, like Amazon Linux 2. Select an instance type, such as T2.micro, depending on your needs. Click Next, Configure Instance Details. Configure your desired instance settings. Click Next, Add Storage. Adjust storage settings, if necessary. Click Next, Add Tags. Add any tags you find useful for organization. Click Next, Configure Security Group. Create a new security group. Add a rule to allow SSH access on port 22. Add a rule to allow MinIO access, which typically uses port 9000. Review your configurations. Click on Launch. Select an existing key pair or create a new one. Click on Launch Instances. Wait for the instance to initialize. Once running, select your instance and note the public IP address. Open your terminal or command prompt. Connect to your EC2 instance using SSH. Use the command sshirkey.pem EC2 user at your public IP. Update the package manager. Run the command sudo yum update y. Install MinIO with the command get https://dl.minio/server/minio/release/linux. Make the MinIO binary executable. Execute the command chmod plus x minio. Create a directory for your MinIO data. Run dir/minio data. Launch MinIO using the command use /minio server/minio data. Configure it to start automatically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.